Hi, I'm Nick Brandon from tecwork. I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about telephone systems. Just give you a little bit basic overview of the phone system market in the UK right now, which is 2019. Tell you a bit about our history, what we can do, and why you should perhaps consider us for your next phone system. So I've been doing this for since 1994. And I've sold, designed, and we've supported hundreds, if not thousands, of phone system installations for smaller businesses and organisations. So from one person businesses right up to sort of a couple of hundred users across Kent, Sussex, London, and the South East since 1994. Just want to tell you about the telecoms landscape in this country briefly. It's changed massively over that 25 years. There's now lots of niche players. Years ago, there was mainly vendors, and you knew what the different vendors were selling. And there'd be resellers who would install, design, and support those phone systems. But there's just so many options open to you now. But your main consideration is the type of phone system you go for. So there's a lot of talk about VoIP, which is voice over IP. That's basically a voice service delivered across a data connection, or more specifically, an internet connection. Half of you that are watching this video will probably still have an ISDN based phone system, which is 25 years old technology, delivered on a voice switch circuit from a BT OpenReach based provider like BT, or the myriad of thousands of other resellers that basically resell that product. Half of you will have moved to some kind of VoIP service, so an internet-based service, cloud-based service, hosted phone system service, whatever you want to call it. Some of you may have kept your premises-based phone system and put a SIP trunk on it, and the other part of that 50% may have gone for a fully hosted phone system, which means you don't actually have a phone system control unit in your premises anymore. You just have internet-based phones that connect to the internet regardless of where they are in the world. So you can all be on one system, which is really, really popular now for businesses of up to sort of 50, 100 users. Anyone that's larger than that, who may have a larger premises, like a school, a factory, manufacturing type industry, they may elect to still stay with a phone system on premise and have that maintenance that goes with it and all the updates and so on, and put in a SIP trunk, which is an internet-based voice service, which gives them much the same as ISDN, but much better functionality in terms of numbers that you can use, geography that you can use it in, and all the business continuity and disaster recovery features that you get with that service, which is much better than ISDN. ISDN is very old now. It's going to be withdrawn by BT OpenReach next year in 2020, and in 2025 it's going to be withdrawn from service. So the 50% of you that are watching this that haven't migrated to a VoIP type service, either keeping a phone system on a SIP trunk or going fully hosted, are going to have to do something by 2025. Why should you use us? Well, we've got 25 years experience. We've helped thousands of local businesses, lots and lots of projects, lots of office moves, really, really experienced. We're locally focused, so it means that we can react quickly and respond quickly. We're not driving for hours to get to you. Most stuff now is done remotely, but you still have to have a local presence if we're looking after a premises-based control unit, which we do for lots of customers. We offer wow factor support, so we have a ticketing system. So when you have a problem, you just email our ticketing system or phone us, and normally within 10 minutes we will respond. Typically no longer than 1 hour, but never more than 4 hours. We deal with global leaders, market leaders, award-winning product companies like Avaya, Mitel, and Gamma. And we can do the whole project for you, including all of the structured cabling that goes with your phone system, all the Cat5e cabling, Cat6, Cat6a now, fibre, all that kind of stuff. So we deal with all sorts of businesses, from one person up to 100 people. We often install phone systems in houses as well, so it's not just businesses. So I hope that's given you a little bit of a flavour for the telecoms marketplace in this country. There's so much choice out there. Just give us a call and we'll talk you through all the options for you, come up with what's best for you rather than what we have an agenda to sell, which is quite often what you find with telecoms companies. So you can visit our website at tecwork.co.uk. You can phone us on 01892 578 666, or you can email us at helpme@tecwork.co.uk. Hope that's given you a bit of an overview. If you need any help and advice, please do get in touch. Thanks.